we're going to go back to the rings, and is Hsu Ping, and as Paul was saying, it is filling up very nicely in this arena. As Hsu gets going.
Back up rise to Maltese. Good statically held positions. Not a murmur so far. Great cross. Has he got the strength and the composure to finish well? Double, found the floor. Safely through. Tanigao on rings, 14.75 puts him into second place. So he's still in with a chance.
Certainly is, and no shortage of home support for Hsu. Delighted you could be following us for action from the 29th Summer Universiade in Taipei City. Around 7,500 athletes here, as well as their coaching and support staff. It's another big event, big Summer Universiade, the biggest event, sports event.